Welcome, John from Palm Beach Customs. Just doing a quick video to show you the front end. We've rebuilt the whole front end on the 69 Cobra Jet. All new leaf springs, new shock tower braces. We've got the new shocks in, new coil springs with the pad. We ran all new stainless fuel lines and brake lines. We've got all the fluid all bled. The brakes are working. We bought all new rotors, bearing assemblies, backing plates, calipers and lines. The rubber line. Lower A-frames complete with all new bushings. Upper A-frames, same thing. And I'll bring you around here. You can see the how they did the power steering on this. The piston's actually on the center link bar. And we've got all new lines for that, new pump going on the engine. New motor mounts. Getting ready to set the engine in real soon. We're going to do a little the firewall heater box and stuff. Just wanted to show you the front end. And we've got the engine ready to go in. I'll walk over here. We've got it's a 428 big block, and it's ready to go in. We got the whole front end assembled, water pump, all the pulleys with the alternator all mounted. We're going to mount the power steering pump, goes on this side, and got the tranny all rebuilt, all new tranny mounts. You can see the H pipe for the exhaust here. And we've got we got to put our donuts in. See our donuts. We got the clutch all done, all new clutch fork, pilot bushing, throwout bearing. Flywheel's done with a new ring gear, original OEM. Everything's OEM on this, matching numbers. 428. Okay. That was just a quick little walk around, give you an idea where we're at. And we're going to start buttoning up the, drop the engine in, then we'll start buttoning up the dash and the wiring. Make it a great day. John from Palm Beach Customs. Take care.